Cryptocurrency is no longer just an experiment, it's a revolution. In 2025, people from every part of the world are making money with crypto, some even passively. The best part? You don't need to be a tech genius or a millionaire to get started. Let's dive into 6 simple methods to make money with cryptocurrency in 2025, even with little to no money. Method 1. Hold and grow strategy. This is the easiest strategy for beginners. Buy solid coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum and simply hold them. Over months or years, your coins can multiply in value without doing anything. Method 2. Stake and earn daily. With staking, you lock your crypto and earn rewards daily or monthly. It's like a high-interest savings account, but in a crypto world. Method 3. Earn while you game. Yes, in 2025, you can earn real crypto by playing online games. Some players make hundreds of dollars per month just by completing tasks in virtual worlds. Method 4. Work and get paid in crypto. Do you have a skill? Write, design, edit videos? Offer your service and get paid in crypto. Websites like LaborX or CryptoGrind connect you with global clients paying in Bitcoin or USDT. Method 5. Let bots trade for you. Don't want to trade manually? Let smart AI bots trade for you 24/7. Platforms like Pionex and 3Commas let you automate your crypto strategy, even while you sleep. Method 6. Grab free crypto with airdrops. Sometimes, projects give away free coins to promote themselves. These are called airdrops. You just need to follow simple steps like signing up, sharing, or holding specific tokens. Final tips. Start small. Even $10 is enough to begin your journey. Avoid hype coins. Do your research. And never invest money you can't afford to lose. So now you know 6 methods to make money with crypto in 2025. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.